Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect a different remote to firestick. Let's go. If you can control the TV, open the settings. Controllers. Amazon Fire TV remotes. Add new remote. Press and hold home button for 10 seconds. If you cannot control the TV, open the remote control and remove the batteries. Restart the Fire Stick. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. That's it. Now you know how to connect a different remote to Fire Stick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.